Run. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. All right, big boy. Much better in here. Much better. Jacob's still outside playing. We are thoroughly snowed in. Somebody going around charging 20 bucks. Do driveways. I'd pay him, but I ain't got $20. It's snowing like crazy. You really can't tell. It's coming down with this camera. I guess you can tell against the dark, but it is coming down.
This isn't his style. Putting together boxes and cookies and stuff. He's Mr.
Alex and Joseph.
I can't see you down there. Where? Where are they?
Right in the hallway.
I don't see them out the window. You can play over here.
They were right there.
No, if
I
they...
asked them to go play in the front yard.
Yeah, go ask them to play in the front yard. You better come right back. He's grounded right now. And he just fell. That damn snow is so deep you can't tell where the grooves are. And it's really coming down. Oh. Hello. Yeah. Tool Academy. Hi, Sassy. Hi, Sassy. Hi, Sass. Are you hungry? Where's Rose? Hey, Sassers. Hi, Sassy. You're a good cat. Oh, Jojo. Jojo pushy wushy. Jojo push. Jojo pushy wush. Jojo pushy wushy. Jojo pushy wushy. What do you want? Hmm? Hey, Sass. Hey, Sass. Oh, fine. I don't see Jacob. That little punk. I told him to come right back. I can't see where he's at. There he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna get in trouble. You don't listen to his mama. Here he is. I guess he's not playing with his friends. He's bored. Sorry, Jake. You would have came back when you were supposed to yesterday.